bro. Like, how does it hit you right now? If you look back, and if all the way, how's the end? How does it hit you?
హిట్ అంటే అలా ఏం లేదు. కానీ వెన్ ఐ డూ లుక్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ద పీపుల్ అరౌండ్ మీ హూ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫోర్స్డ్ మీ టు లుక్ బ్యాక్ టు ద 20 years to see what my journey was. It feels like I've learnt a lot. It feels like I've unlearned a lot. And ఒక ఎలా అంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ వావ్! ఇంత చేసామా అని ఒక ఫీలింగ్
Kada?
ఉంది. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ద కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్ అలా నేను ఐ డూ సంథింగ్ అండ్ దెన్ అలాగే వెళ్తున్నా. I look forward and I keep going anamata. But there are people who force me to look back and think of what all I've done. Sometimes life itself brings you to a position where you want to look back and at least see aim achieve chesam, what all we've done. In fact, during the pandemic is when I actually sat down and took assessment of everything.
చేసాము
ఏమేం
జీవితంలో?
చేసామని, because again, like I said, you just keep running kada, forward
అంతే.
forward anamata, and everyone pushes you to move forward also at the end of the day. So
ఇప్పుడు 20 years బ్యాక్ నువ్వు చేసిన ఆడిషన్ గుర్తుందా నీకు?
of course గుర్తుంది.
ఓకే, కెన్ యూ జస్ట్ టెల్ us about it?
Actually, it's a memory for me. ఎందుకంటే my experience with the camera started when I was very young. I was 9 years old when I started my experience in front of the camera, talking in front of the camera. And I did everything that you're doing today. I interviewed people when I was 9 years, 10 years old. Restaurants, clearly, I interviewed chefs. I've interviewed actors, actresses. I interviewed Nandita Das ma'am when I was probably 10 years old. I still remember she was shooting for a movie with Parthiban and we had gone to
Correct,
interview her. I still remember she was wearing that yellow sari, all of that. But Kandanal Mudal as a audition happened one fine day. There was this some talent management company. They were called Alchemist or something. Chennai lo unnaru vallu. Someone started this company and they were looking for models. And from this company said one day, ila oka audition undani. మీరు వెళ్ళి ట్రై చేయండి అనమాట. ఐ వెంట్ టు ద డ్యూట్ మూవీస్ ఆఫీస్. డ్యూట్ మూవీస్ ఇస్ ప్రకాష్ రాజ్ గారు ఇస్ ప్రొడక్షన్. సో ఐ వెంట్ టు దట్ ఆఫీస్ అండ్ ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్ పెద్ద ఒక స్టేర్ కేస్ అనమాట. ఐ వాస్ గోయింగ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్. ఒక ఓల్డ్ హౌస్. దే సెడ్ యూ వెయిట్ అండ్ విల్ కాల్ యూ అనమాట. అండ్ దెన్ దెర్ వాజ్ ఇంకొక గర్ల్ ఉంది. షీ ఆల్సో కేమ్ ఫర్ ద సేమ్ ఆడిషన్ అండ్ ద ఆడిషన్ వాస్ ఫర్ ద హీరోయిన్ సిస్టర్ క్యారెక్టర్. Younger sister character. So they called both of us up and they said, they gave us a script. They told me that y'all can, it was the dialogue between the heroine and the sister. So they said, మీరిద్దరూ చేయండి, ఒక టేక్కి యూ బీ ద ఓల్డర్ సిస్టర్, ఒక టేక్కి యూ బీ ద యంగర్ సిస్టర్ అనమాట. బేసిక్లీ ఆల్ డూ టుగెదర్. ఓకే అని చెప్పి నేను చేశాను. అది చేసిన తర్వాత దే సెడ్, ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దాట్, యూ జస్ట్ వెయిట్, ద డైరెక్టర్ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సీ యూ అని. అండ్ ద డైరెక్టర్ ఇస్ అ ఫీమేల్ డైరెక్టర్. So I said okay, and I was with my mom. Okay, I said yeah, okay. We were waiting, sitting down, and suddenly, sitting and waiting, the director comes on the stage and she's like, Regina, and I was like, oh my God, Priya ma'am. That was the reaction, and both of us had worked with each other on a documentary before, long ago when I was in school. I mean, I still was in school. Well, I think maybe when I was in the 9th standard by the time I did Kandanan Mudal. I was around just turned 14. And maybe when I was 10 years old, I had done this documentary with her, and it was beautiful. I had the most beautiful experience working with her. And ever since then, she has worked as Maniratnam sir's assistant and stuff. She worked on Yuva and multiple other films. And she's like, oh my God, for the last 3 years, I've been looking for you. I wanted to cast you in Mani sir's film as this one kid. And I wanted to do so much, but we just could not find you. Where were you? And it really felt like destiny brought us together anamata. And she said, you're definitely doing this film. By the time I reached home, the production had called me and they said, we need these 24 days of yours and all of that, and we're starting shoot day after. So that memory, and I still remember, I was going back home in an auto. I still remember my mom and me smiling and laughing and be like, oh God, now we have to call school and tell them that I have to that I need 24 days off. How are we going to do it? So I mean, yeah, those are the small joys in life, right? That memory will always stick. I still remember what I wore for the audition. I still remember how I felt during that time.
15